Okay, this is something I just want to quickly upload, and maybe you can learn from my mistake. It's something I never ever thought about, and that's the warranty that you get on these car batteries. Typically I run Interstate or Die Hard. I tend to have very good results with those batteries, but very recently, a couple years ago, I had to purchase a battery late at night. It was after 8 o'clock in the evening. The only two stores that were open was a local Autozone or Advanced Auto Parts. Typically they all have the same warranties nonetheless. So I went to a local AutoZone, purchased a battery, and never thought about it after that. But recently the battery died, and I looked at the warranty. Floating my head was, oh, there's a 5-year warranty, which there is, but you have to be careful. So the way that it works with a lot of batteries is they provide a 36-month or 3-year free replacement. So in other words, if the battery is no longer good within 36 months, you have a brand new battery, zero cost, okay? Now once you hit month 37, different story. Now they give you a credit. So with the AutoZone battery, it was a 60-month warranty. So for the first 36 months, zero charge, brand new battery. Once you hit month 37 to 60, now some math is involved. So the way that it works is they take the number of months left in the warranty. So for example, in my case, I had the battery for 37 months and it's a 60-month warranty. So 60, subtract 37, and you have 23 months. So 23 months were left over in that warranty, and they divide it by the number of months of the original warranty, which is 60. So 23 over 60, and they multiply it by the original cost of the battery, which was $139. So I have a credit of roughly 53 bucks. So it was sort of an eye-opener. In a sense, a battery lasting for 3 years is not very good in my opinion. Typically, I've had batteries last for 10 years, especially the factory battery. So 3 years really is not good at all. So maybe you can learn from that mistake. Secondly, what I will say, we have a separate video on this. This is something I showed maybe a year ago or so. I'll have a link in Amazon if you do need something like this. This is a battery tester, and I bet if I tested that battery at month 35, chances are I would have had a poor result and I could have obtained a brand new battery. So keep that in mind if you did purchase a battery recently, and keep the receipts. If you kept the receipt, just go through it and maybe make a note to yourself, write it down somewhere on your phone, whatever the case may be, to check the battery, because in my case, these batteries are not too inexpensive, and I was just expecting more in that sense. So I hope you can learn from that, and thanks for watching.